I found my keys on the top shelf next to last night's takeout box and a half-sip seltzer can. Why were they cold? Like they moved in, rent-free in the vegetable drawer. Living better than I am. Leftover keys in the fridge. What was I thinking again? Brain on vacation, life on a ledge, forgetting the where and the when. Laugh till I lean on the door, ice on the floor, I slip. Leftover keys in the fridge, guess I just needed a glitch. Phone in the sink, shoes in the tub, jacket on the kitchen chair like it's guarding all my junk. I talk to myself like, who did this? Then I catch my tired reflection and we both just start to grin. Leftover keys